You know, some days are a great day to fly, some days aren't a great day to fly. Bill the Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. Recently, most of you are aware that I did sell my DJI Mavic Mini. Today we're going to take a look at my last flight with the DJI Mavic Mini, and then that's going to be followed by a clip on why I ended up selling the DJI Mavic Mini. So without any further ado, let's roll those clips. Okay, that was the last flight clip. Let's go ahead and roll the clip why I ended up selling my DJI Mavic Mini. Some days are great days to fly. Some days aren't great days to fly. Let's mark this one down as not a great day to fly. I absolutely enjoyed my time with the DJI Mavic Mini. However, what I did not enjoy was being able to fly in moderate winds. Anytime I would take it up on a moderate windy day, I would get a high wind warning once, and then a second time, and then after that I would end up returning to home. These are winds that are able to be handled by all of my other drones. Question of the day: do you have problems flying the DJI Mavic Mini in the wind? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.